Hello, welcome back to another episode of Delete Later with me, your host Fizza, and today we have a special guest, my fellow pageant sister.
Hey, I'm Nadia Tzuan. Nice to meet you all.
Hello. Thank you for being here today.
Yes, of course. We've talked about this for a while kan?
Iya, udah di planning tapi belum kesampaian. Okay, so Nadia is actually a very experienced pageant girl. Kayak kamu itu pro-nya, I would say.
Oh my god, don't say very experienced.
In a good way. How many pageants have you done before actually? Could I know?
I have to pull out the fingers.
Wah.
I start with local dulu kan.
Okay.
So I start with Koko Cici Jakarta.
Okay.
That was when I was doing my university.
Okay.
And then Supermodel Indonesia.
Okay.
Momo was in there too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Supermodel Indonesia. And then I did Miss Chinese World in Malaysia.
Oh wow.
Miss Grand Indonesia
Okay.
2020. Miss Face of Humanity International.
Yes.
Miss Universe. Last one.
Oh my god, you have such an experience. What made you want to start pageantry pertama kali?
No, at first it was one of the teacher in the university. She was like, Nadia, this will be very good for you. Because my first one was not technically 100% pageantry.
Okay.
It's also more of tourism ambassadorship.
Okay.
Jadi they're like, this will be very good for you, just try, just apply. And then I'm like, okay, I'll try to apply. And then that was the Koko Cici Jakarta kan.
Yeah.
And then if pageantry people, they will know kalau tourism ambassadorship itu biasa mereka trainingnya lebih lama even.
Okay.
Bahkan lebih, bisa dibilang lebih hardcore kali ya.
Iya.
Karena kan some of them are from government kan, jadi ada kayak agak militer trainingnya gitu.
Kayak gimana?
Ada push up. I'm not kidding.
Ini di karantina atau gimana?
Iya, di karantina.
Jadi, wait, how long was the karantina actually for this one?
I kind of forget, tapi kayak it was quite long. It was more than 1 week pokoknya pasti.
Oh my god.
Terus kayak kita pulang langsung pagi itu udah harus di sana lagi. Iya.
Disuruh kayak
Jadi
military
kayak
training?
malam pulang, tidur bentar, mandi apa-apa, pagi udah di sana lagi.
Oh my god. And wait, itu tiap hari gak tapi the training in that sense?
Tiap hari.
Oh my god.
Dan nyampe itu udah harus makeup, udah harus pakai rambut juga. Jadi rambutnya waktu itu dicepol ya kalau nggak salah.
Iya.
Jadi udah harus dicepol.
Oh my god. Jadi that is such an experience, man.
Iya, itu mirip sama Abang None. Kalau versi Betawinya kan.
Iya.
Iya, cuman kayak konsepnya mirip. Jadi kalau Abang None itu perempuannya kalau nggak salah dicepol terus habis itu rambutnya harus yang rapi depannya gini gitu kalau nggak salah. Kalau Koko Cici Jakarta itu harus Chinese, jadi rambutnya harus begini.
Wow. And then
In the morning.
every day. Jadi
Every day.
keramas setiap hari gak?
Nggak.
Enggak ya?
And my hair was quite long waktu itu, jadi nggak keramas setiap hari.
Oke.
Every 2 days lah.
Ya, karena if you keramas setiap hari itu,
Maksudnya like your hair keramas setiap hari, terus habis itu harus bikin cepolan gitu kan?
I would cry. Aku pas MUID keramas setiap hari, tapi thankfully
Iya.
styling aja kan. Gak usah cepol, itu kayak another level.
Dan harus bikin poninya tuh loh.
Wait, so it's like a little curly thing?
Iya.
It's interesting actually.
Iya.
Is this, would you say the most
Because it was the first one itu karena apa ya? They prepare me to be very disciplined kan. Jadi timing I got the timing. Jadi okay, I can do my makeup in, for example, if I'm really in a rush, 20 minutes I can do. Or if I'm really in a rush, I can do in 15 minutes.
full glam?
Maybe not full glam, tapi enough lah.
Iya, juga
To look like I have makeup on gitu.
Iya.
And then hair, depends on the hair. If it's long hair, maybe normally I do 1 hour, 30 minutes. But if really you don't have time, maybe 40 minutes can be done, 30 minutes can be done gitu.
It's a lot of time in the morning to be spent getting ready.
Yeah, I know, right? You have to sleep too.
I know. Tapi I want to ask actually kayak, what made you want to continue with pageantry after that first pageant? Kayak kenapa bisa sampai, you joined quite a few and you've had very amazing results. What made you continue?
So before I had stage fright. Ini karena aku sekarang kan kerjanya banyak MC, banyak ngomongnya ya. Tapi when I first started tuh stage fright.
Aku gak bakal nyangka.
When they gave us Q&A preparation and everything, itu I had no coach ya. My first few ones itu I didn't have a coach. Terus when they gave us Q&A, I just say whatever comes to mind kan.
Oh yeah.
Tapi I know that that's not the ideal way.
Yeah.
could be better gitu. I just find like that why I keep doing it is because I think I can do more. You know, I can give
I see.
more. Jadi kayak, okay, I think this is not my final form gitu.
Yeah, kayak self development
Yeah, yeah. Jadi that's why I keep going.
Okay. What do you think have you've learned the most, like so far from all pageants?
The most is how I carry myself, not
Yeah.
like day to day. I think it's very useful. Some people say like pageantry is just like doing modeling or not really giving you any substance. Tapi for me that's not true. Karena I find that if you see myself when I just started
Yeah.
and now it's completely different person. And in a good way, not because I changed myself, because you know me, Pizza, I'm like this. I'm crazy.
No lah.
No, it can be crazy. Tapi kayak to my
Yeah.
friends kan, not in front of public. Tapi it's not changing who you are.
Yeah.
It's like showing in a different way gitu.
I think it's really nice that you say that. Karena you know when you came in, aku langsung the first thought I was thinking, right, especially when you sat down, I was like, she's so polished. Very polished. Like, do you think that's from pageantry?
Yeah, could be.
Yeah.
Could be. Because I think my personality is very polished, like in general.
Okay.
I mean, it can be different if I'm actually not in that way, and then I try to be that way with show, you know.
Yeah.
But I think I like being polished. I like being like soft-spoken. Some people say I'm soft-spoken.
That's good though, no?
Yeah, but I think pageantry like just makes you do that every day
Yeah.
instead of being that way only for certain occasion. You just get used to doing it every single day. So,
I see. I see. What do you think is like the biggest tip that you have, like, any kind of the pageantry, let's say from like the personality aspect and like the polishing aspect, what is the biggest hack that you've learned?
biggest hack, I would say like endurance. Yeah,
Endurance.
endurance.
See.
Yeah, not many people understand that it takes a lot of stamina
Iya, bener sih, bener.
to do everything.
I mean, karantina biasanya kan jam 12 malam.
Yeah,
And then bangun jam 5 pagi lagi.
yeah.
Bener sih.
And actually, I find that Miss Universe Indonesia is one of the pageant yang a bit relaxed
Iya?
for me.
I was dying. I was dying.
It was. I understand how if you've never done pageantry
Yeah.
and then this is the first one you do, okay, it's overwhelming kan ya?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
overwhelming. But if you've done pageantry with a lot of people and then you've done it outside of Indonesia and then you do this, you're like, okay, this is manageable
Yeah.
time-wise because we have time to sleep
Yes.
and then we have time to do our makeup. We
Yeah.
have a glam team juga.
Yeah.
Some pageant they don't give you anyone who's gonna do your makeup or hair.
So, jadi tiap hari harus makeup sama hairdo sendiri, gak ada yang kayak touch up or anything?
Yes,
Oh.
some of it.
Yeah.
Like for example, a lot of international pageants, especially those that doesn't have a makeup partnership there,
Iya.
you have to do your own.
Even for finals?
Yeah, even for finals or maybe they provide, but I would suggest you don't take it.
I see,
Because they don't know your face.
Iya, benar.
Especially outside of Indo or outside of Asia, they don't know how to do Asian face.
I see.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak gak cocok ya jadinya?
Yeah, cause I'm not stereotyping ya, tapi this is just what I see like in the film. Yeah, if they do like, for example, Caucasian,
Iya.
so they like to do their makeup very light because they have light skin kan.
Oke.
And not a lot of blemishes. Jadi kayak they just cover up some of the blemishes and then like a little bit of foundation, just like finishing touches and done.
Oke.
And they have strong features kan, jadi
Yeah.
they don't need to highlight it.
Iya.
But Asian, you need to put the blush in a very specific way, in a very
Okay.
specific spot kan.
Iya.
And then like how we do our lips itu kan different.
Iya, pastinya.
Yeah, and then how we put on the eyeliner itu kan different.
Iya, benar.
Yes, like Caucasian, big eyes. Maybe their eyeliner you just put a little bit, shines already.
Iya.
But Asians, maybe you need a cat eye atau maybe you need like a more pointed tip atau misalnya dibentuk atau gimana itu kan keahlian dari makeup artist ya.
Iya.
Itu not everyone has. Jadi kayak for anyone who's going to compete internationally, I really suggest if they don't tell you to use the makeup artist that you have to use it.
Iya.
If you know how to do makeup, if you can do your makeup
Yeah.
well, just do it yourself. and then
Oh.
ask them for finishing touches gitu.
I see. Tapi it is better that way karena I think sometimes I also struggle karena maybe my face is also different from Indonesian faces kan.
Yes.
Jadi sometimes also they don't understand. For example, with me, my face is already so angular kan. Jadi
Yeah,
kayak
you don't need like a lot of blushes atau misalnya kayak they like to contour kan.
Yes.
You don't need a lot of contours.
yeah,
ya kan?
sometimes they make my eyebrows very thick. Padahal jadinya it's too sharp for my face.
Yeah.
So I can definitely understand that struggle. Dan bener sih, doing your own makeup itu one of the best things you can learn and one of the best things you can do.
For example, if you're not confident, I don't like doing my own eyelashes.
Oh,
I don't like putting on my own eyelashes.
honestly same though. Kayak
So I ask for help kan.
ya, kayak ribet tapi putting on eyelashes gak sih?
Iya.
Wait, have you mastered it yet though?
I can do it myself, but it takes a while. Jadi kayak I would rather someone else do it faster.
Okay, because if you mastered it already, I was gonna ask you for tips.
No, don't ask me. Ask the makeup artist.
What is you think like the best beauty hack that you've learned from pageantry? Kayak something yang mungkin kayak orang nggak tahu.
A lot of people don't know that putting like some glitter on your collarbone,
Iya,
itu especially if you're wearing like a lower top gitu ya.
iya.
And then you walk on stage with the lighting, itu your body really shines and makes you look really like toned and skinny. Tapi not in a bad way ya, in a like shape. They shape you gitu.
Oh, it makes you look toned jadinya.
Iya, karena like you put on the glitter atau like the highlighter itu kan in the collarbone,
Iya.
terus di sini kan.
Iya.
And then di sini mungkin digelapin sedikit gitu, you shape the otot.
Oh, pakai contour.
bisa.
I need to try that.
So when you show up gitu udah kayak bling bling gitu.
Iya, jadi langsung sculpted ya.
Iya.
I think the one that I learned from Karantina was actually blush placement matters.
Yes, really.
I didn't know that before. Kayak aku cuma kayak taruh blush kayak
Oh no.
dulu kayak whatever kayak
But
udah.
this is nice.
Because I learned.
Yes. No, that's one of the positive kan from
Iya.
the quarantine gitu.
Iya. Speaking of Karantina, I bet a lot of people, even me before when I joined pageantry, itu salah satu paling penasarannya itu di karantina itu ngapain sih? Because like, you know, it sounds like to the outsiders, right? People are like, mereka ngapain like for 4 or 5 days? Bukannya show-nya hanya 1 hari kan?
Yeah.
Maybe you could tell a little bit about your experience with karantinas.
It depends on the pageant ya, on the
Yeah.
scale juga kan. If it's a big production, maybe they want the dance to be perfect.
Yeah.
The opening dance kan. A lot of pageantry they have the opening,
Yeah.
which is like I think the most important part of the show because it's your first impression.
Yeah.
Jadi they put a lot of emphasis on the rehearsal. Jadi for example, some big production tuh you do every day. Maybe they do like 2 weeks of quarantine. Every day they have practice for maybe 3 hours, 4 hours.
Yeah.
Gitu. And then they give you the materials beforehand.
Okay.
Jadi you learn and then when you come into the quarantine you already know the moves. They just put you in which spot and then you learn there gitu.
I see.
Jadi why it's so long it depends on the scale of the production.
Okay.
Jadi for example, if they put a lot of emphasis on you have to speak very well or you have to be knowledgeable or you have to know a lot of issues, so they will give you, for example, newspaper pieces.
Oh.
Yeah, ini different pageant ya.
Okay.
They will give you like newspaper pieces, terus habis itu news, atau you have to research this beforehand, and then when you come they're gonna test you gitu. Ya, some of them do that. Jadi kayak kenapa ada yang porsinya banyak di mana, atau yang for example they emphasize on the natural beauty, atau misalnya they want you to know the sponsors who are apa ya? Maybe the sponsor are sponsoring the part of natural beauty gitu ya misalnya.
Yeah.
So they want you to go to see their natural remedies. Jadi kita pergi ke sana, kita lihat gitu. Yeah, we learn about the tradition that's behind that atau gimana. Jadi different pageant itu emphasize-nya beda ya.
Okay.
Gitulah.
Ngerti,
That's why that's so long. And actually 4 or 5 days is really not long.
No, it's not. I think our karantina was 5 days, yeah.
Yeah, less than a week.
It was less than a week.
Less than a week.
It felt really fast sih. Because
It was quite fast.
Because I heard some pageants itu ada karantina 1 bulan kan?
1 bulan, yes. And sometimes they move cities.
Hah? Jadi kayak from one city to another?
Yeah, like start in Bali and then move to Jakarta, ada yang gitu. Or start in Jogja, move to Jakarta gitu.
Itu seru atau capek? Atau both?
We have to see the itinerary ya.
Iya benar-benar. Apa satu rahasia pageant girl yang bisa bikin orang kaget? Bisa apa aja kayak?
Rahasia pageant girl
Iya.
yang bikin orang kaget. No, let me like return the question ya.
Yeah.
Kayak when you join like Miss Universe Indonesia and then you see us doing weird shit. Can I say that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Weird shit. What do you like? What is she doing gitu?
What do you mean by that?
No, like didn't you like see us doing anything that you're like, why is she doing that gitu?
In the karantina?
Enggak ya?
I don't think
But
so.
normal kan?
Yeah.
Yeah, for me it's very normal.
Wait, no, did you see me do anything weird?
No, I see like a lot of people doing their makeup in the car,
Okay, yeah.
which I cannot do. I mean, I've done it before. If I really have to, I can do it. Tapi I don't like doing my makeup in the car.
Okay.
So I'm actually like applauding everyone who can do their makeup on the move. Because I'm like, how do you do your eyeliner like moving, man?
I'm always doing it in the car. Actually, I'm the opposite.
Yeah. I'm like, how do you do that?
Mau tidur.
Because you want to time it.
Yeah, and then also kadang kan, okay, you don't have a lot of hair, right?
No.
I have like a lot of hair basically, so then I don't like to do my own hair. I go to the salon. Tapi if I do my makeup before I go to the salon, by the time I go to the event,
Oh, yeah.
so I do my hair, then I do my makeup in the car, and then I reach with fresh makeup.
Oh.
That's like the thought
Oh,
process.
it's a
sih.
timing
It's a timing thing sih,
thing, yeah.
definitely. Tapi ya gak enak banget.
Yeah. I would also see like a lot of girls not prepared aja ya. Maybe like, cause I know what to bring to a pageant quarantine tuh udah tahu gitu.
Yeah.
Perintilannya kan udah tahu ya. Tapi I see a lot of girls tuh kasihan karena not prepared gitu. Yeah.
What do you think should be brought? Like apa yang perlu dibawa kayak dari yang kayak standard, a good like just maybe 5 items apa yang perlu?
Standard, I think like whatever is on the list. That's first
Yeah.
of all. And then extra heels.
Okay.
Extra heels, different length, different color. I always bring a band aid gitu, kayak Hansaplast gitu.
Oh,
Yeah, I bring a lot.
karena the shoes ya.
Yeah, and then I wear them anyway. Like even if it doesn't hurt, I just wear them.
Oh,
Yeah.
jadi kayak to prevent it ya?
Yeah,
Atau
to
gimana?
prevent.
I see.
Because once you get a cut, that's done lah.
Yeah.
It will only get worse. Yeah. So I have a lot of band aids. I gave them out to some girls also.
Oh,
Yeah. And then, what else? Medicine. And
Okay.
you get sick a lot, right?
Correct.
Yeah, because you will get sick. Like,
Yeah.
that's a guarantee, you know?
yeah.
You're not sleeping, you're tired, you're on your feet wearing heels. Of course, you'll get sick.
Yes.
So I always bring vitamins, everything, like flu medicine, headache medicine. I just bring everything. My assistant knows she.
What did you pack? What did you pack
I
her?
have a list. Ada listnya nggak sih? Banyak.
Banyak. Okay.
But it's good that you didn't get sick, right?
I didn't get sick thankfully.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I think maybe because I don't sleep biasanya emang jadi kayak udah kebiasa kayak lack of sleep. Tapi pasti the
Yeah.
other girls kayak I mean
They're
depends.
shocked kan, karena apa biasanya mungkin they have like a strict sleep schedule gitu. Terus tiba-tiba harus midnight, wake up in the morning, midnight, wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
tired juga.
Iya, that's so true.
Oh, and I always say like you have to eat. You
Oh.
cannot not eat.
Gak bisa sih, itu bisa pingsan. You will lose weight anyway actually from
Yes.
karantina.
Yes.
You will lose
No
weight.
matter what, you will lose weight. You don't know why. Even if you eat a lot, you will lose weight.
If you need a diet hack,
Yes, go to like
Go to fashion.
Go to a long quarantine.
I don't know what, like when I went for last year, I was like, I'm not gonna diet or anything. I lost weight after.
Yes, everyone will lose weight.
Yeah.
I can ensure you that everyone lose weight.
Yeah, because I think the activity, because you're doing
you're
a lot
awake,
of work.
right?
Yeah,
And you're thinking and you're using your brain.
and you're dancing also.
Yes.
Definitely. Kayak it adds up.
And you don't feel like eating anyway, but you have to eat. Kan?
Yeah. You don't want to eat during quarantine biasanya kayak rasanya kayak like you're so, I don't know about you, I was so anxious the entire time. I was so jittery, deg-degan, kayak pokoknya I was a mess, man. And mentally like I was a mess. So I never wanted to eat. Tapi yeah, you have to force yourself.
I always make sure that I get like a big breakfast that has everything in it.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, okay, even if I don't feel like eating after, that's okay because I had a big breakfast.
Yeah, definitely. That's important. Oh, I remember I was gonna ask actually. What do you think are the most comfortable pair of heels?
Oh, this depends on everybody because I
Yeah.
know you have a different preference than me.
Okay.
I like my heels to have lots of straps in it. I just like straps.
Okay.
I don't like those kind of like pumps, like Louboutins.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean, I love Louboutins. Give me some.
yeah. Just not for pageant walks.
Just not for pageant.
Okay.
Because you can wear them for an hour, it's okay.
Yeah.
But to do like catwalking or like dancing, it's not ideal.
Okay.
For straps, you can ask the maker. I custom my pageant shoes kan.
Okay.
Jadi I can ask the straps to be longer or like shorter,
Ah.
and I do fittings for my heels.
Oh.
Yes, I'm quite extra.
I mean, it's important karena it's going on your feet where you're gonna be wearing for 12 hours a day kan.
And like my pageant coach, catwalk coach itu Dok and Rajesh, they're always like, we need to inspect your shoes, you know, we need to see your shoes, and you need to be on your heels, the one that you're gonna wear.
Okay.
And then they're like, Dok especially is a Brazilian, he also makes heels. Jadi he would like take my heels and then inspect the straps. He's
Yeah.
like, okay, this is too long, you need to shorten it. Yeah.
Oh.
Or he would be like, okay, because there are like straps in the front. Okay,
Yeah.
how do I show this? Oh, let's close the logo, yeah.
Okay.
So there are straps in the front can, and then there are straps in the back. So he will be like, okay, these straps are okay. I think these ones you need to tighten up.
Oh.
Yeah. For example, if there's like straps,
Yeah, yeah.
and then these ones you need to tighten up. Okay, and then okay, these ones you need to tighten up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then he would be like, and then I would go and fix it.
Jadi every single part itu penting ya.
Yeah.
Oh.
If not, then you cannot do like, cause he's doing all this like 360 turns and all that stuff. You cannot do that in normal heels.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Jadi how much percentage of catwalk do you think is depending on the heel?
I think at least 50% is on the heels. Yeah.
So bad heel, bad catwalk.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That's why for me, I test every single one of them.
Okay. Yeah. I feel like last year I really struggled to find heels for my feet. Even though I custom masih kayak
Cause your feet is a bit special, I think.
yeah. I have I think pronated feet. Jadi my feet actually when I walk sometimes it goes out.
Yeah.
So I like walk on the edges of my feet. Jadi kayak I had the hardest time. Jadi I needed a heavy heel actually. Kalau enggak,
Ground shoe.
yeah,
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. I think so.
yeah. Cause like if I wore like the really thin one, I'm gonna be falling over definitely.
Yeah.
Tapi what's nice about the thin, you can do the 360 turns and the
Yeah.
twirls. Tapi you cannot really do that with a heavy heel.
I don't think you can.
Yeah, or I mean you can, but you have to be a pro. It's like more
You
difficult.
can, but your like house needs to be very strong.
Yeah, and your ankles too. I imagine.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, kan? Okay, I wish I knew this last year.
They need to like let me do a workshop or something.
Oh my god, you should make beauty camp, Nadia 101.
Next time.
Dari pageant, what is the most, for you, what do you find the most challenging aspect of it?
For me, is the criteria of every pageantry is different, kan?
Yeah.
And they're looking for different winners.
Okay.
So you can never control the result. And for me, it's like cocok-cocokan. Ini paling penting sih for me.
Okay.
If the owner thinks you're cocok, apa sih, suitable ya?
Iya.
Suitable, cocok buat ajang ini, then you can fight confidently, you know.
Yeah.
You can present yourself confidently. Tapi if you're like not sure if I am who they think is suitable for this position,
Yeah.
then no matter what, even if this is your best version, itu pasti nggak cocok gitu.
Yeah.
Jadi for me, kita nggak bisa paksa kan.
Yeah.
Kita nggak bisa maksain.
Yeah.
Dan mau nggak mau kan pageantry itu apa pasti ada 1, 2, 3 whatever gitu kan.
Yeah.
Kayak ya udah kita nggak bisa paksain. Jadi the hardest part for me is like letting go gitu. Like letting go, cause I'm a perfectionist. Jadi kayak I wanna do all the details.
Yeah,
gitu.
yeah.
But you cannot do that in pageantry. You just okay, this is how I'm going to present myself, and then if you think I'm cocok for this position, you choose me. If you don't think I'm cocok for this position and someone else is better, then you choose her.
Yes.
So that part is something that takes me a while to accept.
I see. Yeah.
Tapi I think it's natural. Very
is.
natural.
It is. It's like you can be the best at everything, tapi kayak even if somebody's looking for something else, then
Ya, misalnya aku ke pasar mau beli buah apel.
yeah.
Kamu jeruknya enak banget. I will never buy you.
Yeah.
Karena you're not apple.
That's a really good way to put it.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes, even if you're the best one, I still won't buy you.
Yeah.
Gitu.
Benar. And I think it's something also that's not talked about as much as like in pageant there's a lot of emotional factors, yeah. Bisa
Yeah.
dibilang.
I think, I don't know why,
Yeah.
It's like my apa? Because girls, you put all the girls together. It's
Yeah.
all the hormones, man.
Oh my god. And then it's just like combines into one big cloud.
Hormonal.
Benar sih. Tapi
Yeah.
thankfully MUID there was like no drama whatsoever.
Yeah, I think because of the format, yeah.
The format and small group maybe, yeah.
Yeah, small group.
Yeah.
And I think the girls are older.
Yeah,
More
that's true.
grown.
That's true. Okay, because usually pageants 25 ke bawah, yeah.
Yeah, they start, I think, 19, yeah.
Yeah, 19 to 25. Tapi MUID we had the youngest was 21, yeah.
I think so, yes.
21, yeah.
So I think everyone can think clear.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Itu yang cocok-cocokan. I really liked your answer for that, you know? That's such a really good... Because people kayak, when they talk about pageants, actually kayak selalu, nobody talks about that aspect, which is true.
Yeah.
Kayak no matter what, you cannot control that.
You have control.
You cannot control, and it's so hard sometimes. Tapi,
Yeah, it's hard, especially because you want to win lah.
yeah, who
Who doesn't want to win?
if you join a pageant, itu kayak,
No, if
of course.
because I sometimes like teach my juniors kan ya.
Yeah.
And then like they ask me like, and then I have to ask them this question, like, what do you want in this pageant? What do you want to achieve? And they say, I just want to be here for the experience. I just want to see all the girls and want to make friends. I say, don't join.
It's not worth it.
I
Yeah.
say, don't join. You have to want to win.
Yeah.
If not, then what's the point?
And even if you like don't want to win, actually, like if you want to, let's say even if you don't want to win, let's say okay, your goal is like, let's say your goal is top 3. Tapi
Yeah, you have to have something.
you have to still like kind of like achieve to win.
Yes.
Like you cannot think like, oh, I just want top 3. I don't need to go so hard. Like no.
No.
You still need to push yourself until you want to win.
Yes. And also, like, for example, if they have like best in national costume or best in public speaking or best in evening gown, if you think that you're the best in that category, I would like them to strive for that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pasti.
If, for example, I have a very good like background in traditional music or artistry, and then I'm gonna bring out this beautiful national costume, I would say like, okay, then strive for the best national costume.
Yeah, that's the
know?
attitude. Kayak why this is one thing. It's like pageantry itu udah susah banget. It's mind draining. It's
Yes.
energy draining. Everything. You will be drained. Kenapa join if you don't want to get something out of it?
Yeah, and it's the time of your life, you know?
Yeah.
Like you take out, for example, like 2 weeks of preparation and
Yeah.
then 2 weeks of doing the quarantine and the final. This is already like at least 1 month of your life.
Yeah.
Give it your all, you know?
Yeah. Karena you don't get that. I mean, you can take another chance, but like you won't get that time back. And if you
Yes.
think you will be thinking a lot of times like, what if I push myself further? What are some tips that you have for girls competing yang mungkin kayak gak biasanya diomongin?
Banyak ya.
Banyak. It's okay, just spill all. Gak apa-apa.
Tapi kan balik lagi ke endurance ya.
Yeah.
I always tell anyone who asks me like really train cardio.
Oh.
Really train your cardio karena to stand on your heels 15 centimeters heels berjam-jam, apalagi final is usually like 3 hours kan ya.
Yeah.
And you're on your heels. You don't have the time to change.
Yeah.
So really train on your cardio and leg. Do leg days gitu. Karena it will really help you to stay awake gitu.
Yeah.
Yeah, and not crash out after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any exercises yang recommended for the legs misalnya?
I recommend them to do running sih. A lot of running, tapi treadmill gitu.
I see. Like fast running atau kayak lebih kayak jogging?
Just jog for a long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
Do you have a recommendation of how long?
Depends on their endurance sih.
Okay.
Kan if they start like 15%, you cannot tell them to do more
Yeah.
gitu.
Do you have any other ones, or is it just that? Like maybe like your top 3 tips.
And like if they give you a list of what to bring, always bring more. And yeah, always bring more. They tell you to bring maybe 3 dresses. Okay, you bring 5.
Oh.
Yeah. And I always tell them to bring the basics like LBD, with
Okay.
a black dress, and tops like cute tops,
Yeah.
and then jeans, like basic aja, barang-barang basic, and then sneakers. Well, I always prepare for like maybe we have a sudden dinner gitu kan.
Yeah.
Last year I remember we have a sudden dinner.
Yes, I remember.
Right? Yeah, they're like, okay, we just finished everything, let's go eat. They're like that.
Were you prepared for that?
I was going somewhere, so yes.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, so I had my dress.
Okay.
Yeah.
I went shopping in PI that day.
Yeah, a lot of girls.
A lot
were
of girls
shopping.
did.
Yeah.
Untungnya lagi ada sale banyak.
Oh yeah.
Iya, karena itu kan August end of summer sale.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
You got some hauls.
Yes.
Go to the salon before. That's like basic, yeah.
Go to the salon for what, misalnya?
Just like to clean up everything, like yeah.
Okay,
Trim
okay.
a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, I think that's actually really interesting, and that's actually, I think, all the questions that I have for today. I want to play a quick game though before we end the session. It's called shoot or skip. So
Shooter,
shoot or skip.
shoot or skip. Okay.
So you just have to answer shoot or skip. Yeah, I'm gonna ask you the questions. Shoot or skip. Bangun jam 5 pagi untuk hairdo.
skip.
Jawab pertanyaan dengan I believe.
skip. I really don't like it.
It's the most template answer.
Yeah, it's because too many people say that.
That was me last year. Every single time they ask me a question. I believe. Practicing your walk at the mall.
Shoot.
Shoot?
Shoot.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, my trainer made me do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Di kayak
This was early days, yeah.
okay.
And they make me just like strut in the mall aja.
Oh.
Just like going laps gitu.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fun actually.
It's quite useful actually.
Yeah?
Tapi like I wouldn't recommend it to train for technical stuff ya.
Oh, tapi kayak stage fright ya.
Yeah, for like at the end mungkin, at the end of
Okay.
the session could be. Tapi don't train your techniques in the mall. I don't think it's useful.
I don't think it's safe either.
Yeah. Like kan they teach you like turns
Yeah.
or like how to kan at the end of the runway kan kayak gini ya.
Yeah.
And then you stop here and then kamu turn right atau turn left tuh kan different.
Yeah.
Ya, turn right kakinya mungkin kamu ke sini.
Yeah.
Turn left berarti kakimu mungkin kan I'm right-handed.
Yeah.
Jadi kaki kanan dulu baru ke kiri.
Ah,
Itu kan you cannot train that kalau banyak orang.
No, susah sih.
Iya, atau misalnya like kan biasa apa sih? The stage usually like T gitu kan.
Yeah.
T, jadi di belakang ini terus habis itu ada lidahnya ke depan gitu.
Yeah.
Nah, biasanya trainer aku tuh ngetrain kalau jalan keluar dari kanan sama jalan keluar dari kiri is different.
Oh.
Gitu.
Okay.
Iya, itu kan nggak bisa di train di.
Iya, gak bisa. Tapi oh my god, there's a lot of technique ya that I
Ya,
didn't
ada
know.
banyak.
17 centimeter heels.
Skip.
Have you can you try it?
I have them. I have like 3 or 4, but I don't like it. It's too much.
It's too tall.
Too much. Because you don't feel relaxed in them as well. Because I have a principle that you have to trust your shoes.
Yeah.
You have to trust it karena you put your life in it kan.
Iya.
Jadi kayak kamu mau muter pun kamu kalau nggak percaya kalau itu bakalan tetap berdiri itu gimana gitu.
Iya.
Kan kalau udah 17 tuh udah kayak enggrang ya.
Yeah.
You're technically on your tiptoes terus gitu.
Iya,
Jadi you cannot trust it juga gitu.
Bener sih.
Yeah, I find like sweet spotnya itu maybe like 12. 12 tuh very sweet.
So 12 is nice. Tapi do most pageants require 15 or is it just like a common? It's just like a
No,
misconception.
it's just that like we cannot say it's different for every girls ya.
Oh, okay.
Karena kan some girls are a bit petite,
Yeah.
some are very tall gitu
Yeah.
kan. Very tall girls my very tall friends yang 180 cm gitu mereka nggak pernah pakai yang 15 cm gitu. They always use like 12 or like kalau mereka lagi swimsuit tuh mereka pakai 10 gitu.
Okay.
Enak ya?
Enak ya. I wish I had that.
Enak ya? Enak. Iya, jadi mereka kalau swimsuit kenapa mereka bisa sampai muter-muter kemana-mana itu mereka pakai 10.
Oh.
Iya. Gitu. Sedangkan kalau misalnya, evening gown mereka misalnya pakai yang 12 atau maybe if the gown is very tall mereka pakai 15 gitu.
Okay.
Tapi usually they don't use the very tall ones.
Iya.
gitu.
That's the
Tapi
advantage.
kalau yang petit ya mau gimana ya, kan kita kalau dijajarin harus kelihatan up gitu kan.
Iya.
Kalau petit ya terpaksa dia pakai yang tinggi dong.
Iya, benar sih. Tapi even sometimes like even if you're not so petite, kadang you also have to wear still have to wear the heels because if the petite ones are wearing very tall heels,
Make you look, yeah,
unless you're 180, that's a different story.
that's a different story.
You're also gonna look like the same height jadinya.
Iya.
Karena ini dekat ya, jangan di this part. Karena aku last year even kan, I wore short heels, and everybody else was like, I wore short heels in
Oh really?
MUID. I wore like pas presscon 10, and then a lot of girls were wearing 17 kan. Jadinya same
Yeah,
height
yeah,
katanya. And then PL would be like, ini mereka same height ya, artinya dia tinggi.
Oh
I'm like,
really?
or like they'd say I'm short. It's like itu Fiza dibanding ini pendek ya. I'm like, look at the heels difference ya. Okay, yeah, that's all.
That's all?
Alright, thank you so much, Nadia.
Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you all so much for watching today, and thank you so much, Nadia, for being here.
Thank you for having me.
I really enjoyed our discussion. The tips were honestly things I didn't even think about, but I will definitely keep that in mind for, I don't know,
For what?
for life.
For what? For what?
Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have a new episode every Thursday. See you soon. Bye.
Bye bye.